What's going on, guys? I'm Anders. Today I'm gonna be giving you a review of the MEKA Pro mechanical gaming keyboard from TT eSports. So without further ado, let's get started. Inside of the box we are getting, of course, the MEKA Pro mechanical gaming keyboard along with 9 additional red keycaps for the escape key, WASD keys, the arrow keys. So if you have a red and black gaming setup, this keyboard definitely will match with it. We are also getting a key puller and of course its quick guide installation and warranty policy. Its design looks pretty simple, nothing out of the ordinary. The base and the case of this keyboard is made with plastic but surprisingly hefty and durable. There are 5 rubber feet on the bottom as well as 2 keyboard stands. It measures at 445 by 135 by 36 millimeters in size. It is connected with a 1.8 meters USB cable, and the keyboard itself weighs around 1,200 grams. It has a full red LED backlight that can be switched into different illumination modes, such as static, pulse, reactive, ripple, wave, sparkle, and off. You can make faster the effects by holding the function key and pressing the home key, and to decrease the speed by holding the function key and pressing the end key. You can increase and decrease the lighting by holding the key function and clicking the up or down arrows. You can also change the direction of the ripple effect by holding the key function and clicking the right or left arrows. The MEKA Pro also has 4 pre-configured game genre lighting zone illuminations. The user can choose from MOBA mode, RTS mode, MMO mode, and FPS mode. This is definitely a very considerate and user-friendly option. As many gaming keyboards on the market offers macro recording, the MEKA Pro is no exception. However, since don't comes with any software installed, the users can only set up macros via the function keys, which is surprisingly simple and easy to use. To record macro on the fly, press the MK button on the top right hand corner, hold down the function key together with one of the macro keys located on the number pad area. That the key will flash indicates that now is recording. Once you're done with your input, hold down the function key and the same macro key again to complete the setup. Overall, the MEKA Pro is a very decent mechanical gaming keyboard. The illumination modes and the pre-configured game illumination mode addition to this keyboard, despite the fact that only comes in red color. The macro recording is straightforward and easy to use, makes this one of the best on-the-fly macro recording keyboards I've seen yet for being a medium budget keyboard. And that was my review of the MEKA Pro from TT eSports. Let me know in the comment section below if you like this keyboard. And as always, if you want to support the channel, don't forget to give that thumbs up, share the video and subscribe to my channel. And that way you won't miss any of my future videos and content. And your good friend Fury Pixel, see you next time.